Hey guys, it's a pleasure to welcome all of us into the month of March. We are grateful to God that we could see the month of March because it's not everybody that started February, finished it, and here we are basking in the euphoria of making it to the first day of the month of March. All right, as usual, we'll be looking at BTC chart. But before we do that, I just want to bring it to our notice that I trade all cryptocurrencies. You can trade all your cryptocurrencies with me and collect Naira. And to do that, you can either you reach me here or you reach me on my WhatsApp contact, which you can actually see on your screen, whatever quantity of it, whatever fraction of it is you want to trade and you want to collect Naira, you can always reach out to me to do that. All right. So let's go to the business of today, which is the BTC charts. Let's look at the BTC chart. And of course, we'll be looking at the daily time frame. And we started yesterday. We began this journey yesterday when we didn't begin yesterday, but we did an analysis yesterday. And where I was telling us that I wasn't really certain of BTC going back to retest that 64K zone area where it broke down from. And look at it all through yesterday. BTC has actually been hovering within this shaded region within this resistance region. And switching to lower time frame for us to get a clearer picture of what is happening would have something like this here. So I pointed out this very line, this very support line, this yellow line, which is serving as a support. I told us that I was looking forward to BTC coming back to retest it. And you can see, or even though it hasn't really done that, you can see the movement. This is just signaling sign of weakness. This is a little move into support. So I am still of the opinion that BTC has to come back to retest this very support region. And the fact that I said that there is no possibility of BTC going to break the previous ATH before the halving, it still stands. Yeah, that opinion is still stands. So as the day goes by, as I see what the market is doing, is actually lending credence to the truth of that matter that BTC wouldn't really test its all-time high until the halving occurs. And of course, the halving should be occurring sometime in the middle of April. That's next month. Towards the middle of April. That's next month. A couple of days from now. So that's basically that for BTC. So right now, like I said, I'm not looking forward to any buying opportunity in the market, especially when it comes to BTC. I'm not pretty much looking forward to taking any buy trade on that. This is not a correct drawing, but we could just keep it like this. Yeah, we could just keep it like this. So what this means is that as long as BTC remain below this downsloping resistance, of course it's mini bearish. Don't mistake what I'm saying. The general outlook of BTC is bullish, but then we are looking at the interim, that BTC is actually bearish. So I'm looking at a situation whereby BTC comes back to retest this very support region. I'm looking at BTC coming to close below 60K, and not just closing that, there is also a possibility of us seeing BTC getting here, breaking this very support here. There's a possibility of it breaking the very support and then coming back here. This is also another support. Remember, we pointed it out. Let me use the higher time frame so that we can see it clearly. Remember, we pointed this very support out. We pointed it out in the previous analysis we did. We said BTC could still come down to retest here. Of course, there is no guarantee that it must happen, but as a good analyst, you have to consider all possibilities. You have to look at every part of every side to the story. Yeah, look at every possibility and factor in every possibility in the market. So yeah, this is what is happening now. We are just seeing weakness. This movement, this is downsloping in this is downsloping and resistance, which signals weakness. So we're seeing a series of lower highs and lower. This is lower highs into support. It's signaling a change. It's signaling weakness. When you keep seeing lower highs, these are lower. This this is a lower high, this is a low high, this very one, we might just see it get here and then drop again. When you see a series of lower highs into support, and this is the major support we are talking about, it signals weakness. So we are saying that BTC is weak. So I just want to see it come here and then see what happens. See it close below 60K and then see what happens. Whatever happens here will definitely tell us whether this movement upwards is continuing, or we should look forward to seeing it come back to around 51K, 52K. So that's pretty much it. And when we did the analysis yesterday, we also pointed out some coins I told us I was looking forward to shorting. One of those coins is Zeta. If you guys can remember, I talked about Zeta, that if BTC continues bearish, that I was going to short Zeta so that it could come to retest this leg down. It has to come down to retest it so that there will be a balance. There's even a possibility that if it continues, it could even come to retest this support somewhere around here. That's going below $2, of course. And then the next one we looked at was I think SUI. SUI has actually been showing some element of strength. It's been showing some element of strength, but then this is not the time to shout kumbaya. We are not out of danger, because everything depends on what BTC is doing. So all eyes on BTC. The behavior of BTC with a large extent tell us what we should be doing in the market. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what I just wanted to share with us this morning. And I hope you have a profitable trading day ahead. And if you like this content, kindly like, share, subscribe, and of course, share it with your people, and you can equally follow. And I will talk to you guys soon. Hands ahead. Salute.